What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. As always, just before I get into it, I always need to request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So we need to get the views up, followers, subscribers, whatever you want to call them. Let's get those numbers up, people, man. More views, more numbers, more everything. And yeah, big shout out to everyone who's been watching so far, man. Thank you very much, people, man. But yeah, enough of that. I got another Nike Tech Fleece tracksuit that I'm gonna review for you guys. So I've already done a grey one, overhead hoodie. I've done black as well, overhead hoodie. I've done the black and the grey one with the zip hoodie. And now, so that's black and grey as in like one tracksuit is black and grey. I've also done the khaki one with the boot cuts. But I haven't done this one. So this one was quite different. Even the materials, everything looked a bit different to me. Like, you know, it's not standard, but it's always good to try something new, man. So we'll start off with the joggers. Let's pop that bag open. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do like what they do in a magic trick. Just pull it. Yeah, no, that failed kind of. We've got the joggers. So this is the fleece winter. It looks like an office chair, but it's the fleece winter tracksuit. I fully wanted to see what this is like in person, man. I wanted to try it on. I wanted to see if it's warm and all that good stuff. So it's a greyish, I'd say very dark grey, definitely not black tracksuit. It's got the black Nike sticker. It's definitely a sticker. Pockets on one side, the drawstring as standard, and then that good old Tech Fleece zip pocket that we always want on all the joggers. Very handy. Good, it's a good pocket, man, and it's still got a bit of fleece. Yeah, but these are quite thick feeling, to be honest, and that's good because if they're made for winter, that is quite a thick layer, I'd say, you know. And they are made for winter, so like a proper heavy fleece, a thick material. So I'd say this is thicker than like the Thermafit and stuff like that. But I definitely hope it is warm, as this is specifically made for the winter. If it's warm, then, you know, why not get a few more? The label, as always, it says slim fit, taper leg, regular length. I like slim fit, you know, joggers and stuff. It's always good. They're always nice, they always look good. And then at the bottom, it's got the standard cuffs, which are on the normal tracksuits, the normal Tech Fleece tracksuits, to be honest. So standard cuffs on those, but very thick, fleecy. Looks quite warm, and I hope it is warm material. So that's the joggers. And literally, if you want to buy this, all you have to do is search Nike Tech Winter. It will come up straight away, and you'll be able to see. Let's rip the hoodie bag open. I want to try to do that thing again. I want to get it clean off, but I have a feeling it will just fly away. Ooh, close. So we've got the same material. The hoodie actually looks slightly off shade, but it's fine. Let's see what the cuffs are like. So it's the normal cuffs, you know, the Tech Fleece cuffs, and then you can see that inner fleece. Like, this is actually, I hope this is warm, you know, because I actually really like this. I hope none of my friends cuss me for looking like an office chair, because I got some real office chair vibes from this color. A big zip down the front, and that's a pocket, so that is functional. You can definitely stick something in there if you wanted to, you know, stick a phone in, bob your uncle. So yeah, I'm not unhappy, but all my other techs have the pocket here with the zip, the little pocket. Even though I don't use the pocket, you know, it's something that you just gotta have, man. Like, it just looks so good. And then pockets, it's not a kangaroo pocket, obviously, because it has zip, dual zip, as always. I never use the dual zip, to be honest. Let me just unzip it so we can see kind of what it looks like inside. So it's got, you know, just cloth lined pockets like standard Tech Fleece, but then it's got that thick white fleece interior, and then that grey office chair on the outside. Definitely does feel quite heavy duty, etc. So that's something. So I hope it is warm. I hope it does keep us warm, or me warm. And if you buy one, I hope it keeps us warm. It does say warning, no protective function, not personal protective equipment. I tried to Google what that was. Unfortunately, it didn't have any results explaining why that's there. So it could be something to do with a lawsuit, you know, one of those things. I noticed I like trip on my words a lot, man. It's probably because I do these videos one take and, you know, no planning, none of that. But yeah, so I definitely do really like this grey shade. It does feel quite warm. In terms of sizing, I went true to my size, what I usually wear in a Tech Fleece, as I hope this doesn't fit different. If it does, I'll probably leave it in the comments below and just write, you know, go up a size, go down a size, do whatever. But it looks fine for true to size, to be honest. I can just tell by just looking at it. I definitely think this bit was kind of odd. I'm not sure why they didn't do any other type of cuff, like, but you know, it is what it is. Probably they can't make this material cuff, so they had to do that one. It does kind of stand out, but it doesn't at the same time. Especially because, you know, this cuff is completely different to this. So yeah, this is just one thing I can't get used to on the Tech Fleeces, is this cuff, man. It's not really a cuff. This is a cuff. This is the best cuff, in my opinion. But yeah, people, man. Tell me if you like the tracksuit. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you want to see me wear it, like how it's worn and stuff. In terms of trainers, it will definitely have to be like black Air Maxes or something, or a nice grey that contrasts or whatever. I'll just definitely stick with just the black Air Maxes, so black 95s or something like that. And hopefully it does keep me warm. Tell me if you like it, tell me if you hate it, tell me if you rate it, tell me if you're gonna get it. Just quick before I go, the price point on this tracksuit is quite steep. So for example, this is kind of different, and I do have the prices written down here, so I can actually check, or I'll just Google them and check them live. The top is £125 and the bottoms are £115. So 125 and 115, that's like 240, yeah, 240 odd quid for this tracksuit, which honestly is quite steep. So I'd say if you can get employee discounts or friends and family discounts or something like that, definitely do that. Paying full price £240, do I think it's worth it? Personally, nope, because at the end of the day it is just a Nike tracksuit. I hope it does, you know, show that it's worth £240, as if it doesn't, I will be fuming. But yeah, people, let me know what you think. Tell me if you hate it, tell me if you rate it, and most importantly, take care, people.